Chia jam, which is bursting with fruity goodness. You'll never go back to store-bought versions of jam after you've tried this recipe. Super simple ingredients for these. So maple syrup, chia seeds, fruits. I'm going for black forest fruits. I've got 500 grams and some water. Right, so you can throw in your fruits. Forest fruits are the ones that I'm going for. I've got 500 grams. And then I'll do it in the following order. I put the chia seeds in first. Quarter cup measure. So FYI, that's about 47 grams. Then get my maple syrup in next. And again, quarter cup, which appears to be 85 grams, 87 maybe, depending on your scales. And I'll just use the same thing to get your water in, and quarter cup again, about 65, 60-ish grams of that. So get your heat on to high, just to start off. I often like to keep a little cup with a spoon handy, just give it a little bit of a break up, just to make sure that you stir to start it off. And I generally set my timer for a couple of minutes because otherwise I'll forget. When the pan starts to boil a little bit after a couple of minutes, give it a good stir. Okay, so once the pan's proper bubbling, like this, then you need to get a lid, put it on slightly so it's to the side. Give it a little stir first actually, put the lid on, slightly ajar, like so that the air can still escape. Turn your heat right down to minimum. Oops, that's a different gas. That one. Turn it right down to minimum so it's on very low, and set your timer for 5 minutes. Once your timer's gone off, get your lid off. It will kind of look like this. It's still a little bit runny at this stage, as you can see. Turn off your gas. You can just give it a forking, mash it with a fork, get rid of any big lumps or bits, or if you prefer, you can get your blender stick. Remember to log it on, and then give it a little bit of a blast with that instead. Your consistency is now more jam-like, but it will thicken as time goes on. So what you need to do now is just pop it into your thing. I often like to put a spoon in while it's still hot because that means it will actually stop the glass from cracking. And then leave your spoon in while it cools down, and it will thicken as it cools. Please check out another of my recipes if you like this video.